definition, and if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Guys, I hope you're doing really well. I am doing awesome. So today's video, I think you can already see it's going to be a makeup tutorial video. Basically, I wanted to show how to do a pink glitter eye look. This is the look that I've created today, and step by step I show how you can get this look, but also step by step I've shown how to achieve this complete look, like how to get this base and the lip look, the eye look. So I hope you really like this makeup look, guys, and without any further ado, let's get into the video, guys. Okay guys, so first I'm taking this Maybelline BB cream and then applying it all over my face and blending it very well with this Bronson brush. Guys, this Bronson 4-in-1 makeup brush is so good. Look at that, it blends so effortlessly. Guys, did you see my pink mirror? Look at that, I have a pink comb in that as well. Plus I have pink brushes as well for this video because it's a pink glitter eyeshadow video, right? Okay guys, moving on, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Spot Rescue Concealer. In my previous videos, I've already told how much I like this concealer. It covers all your marks and pigmentation. It's a full coverage concealer. I genuinely love this product so much, guys. It's a very good one actually. Next, I'm taking the Color Essence Loose Powder and I'm gonna set my face. Usually, I just bake and leave it till I finish my eye look, but today I'm gonna set my face completely first. Look at that, guys, the base looks so good. Next, I use the Mars Brow Pencil. And for eyeshadow, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Maxi Reloaded palette. Okay guys, first I'm taking a cream shadow and using it all over my lid. And for this look, I'm also using the Mars All I Need makeup kit. Okay guys, I'm using a pink shade in the outer corner and blending it all the way in onto the crease. Next, I'm using a darker shade and defining the outer corner. Just removing the excess with the wet wipe. Okay guys, I'm using this pink glitter eyeshadow and applying it in the center of my lid. I'm using the same pink and brown eyeshadows and applying it in my lower line. Okay guys, next I'm gonna use the Lakme 95 Iconic Eyeliner and also mascara from the same range. I'm just taking a light glitter eyeshadow shade and highlighting my inner corner. Now using the same shade, we'll also highlight the brow bone. Okay guys, now without taking any excess loose powder, I'm just gonna run the brush through my face just to remove any extras that's left. Oh wait guys, now we are gonna do blush from the same All I Need makeup kit from Mars. I'm gonna set my face using the Glam 21 setting spray. I'm using this beautiful champagne gold glitter as my highlighter. For lip line, I'm using this Kiko Milano lip pencil. And for lipstick, we are going to use the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Plum Perfection. Would be nice to add some gloss, guys, so I'm using the Lakme 95 Haya Beach Edit Lip Gloss Stain. This is the final look, guys. Guys, so this is the final look and this is what we have created today. I hope this video was really helpful and you learned a thing or two about how to create a pink glitter eye look, a simple pink glitter eye look. And if you really like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And with that, I'll see you in another video, guys. Bye guys.